In this modern era, our world is changing very rapidly. Changes are happening in the individual, family, society, nation, and the world. One is not able to cope up with these rapid changes, hence, there is so much physical, mental, and emotional insecurity. One seeks security and wants someone to come to his or her aid. Shri Paramjyoti alone can come to our aid whenever we are in need. One who takes refuge and the divine shelter of Shri Paramjyoti would experience freedom from fear and the divine shelter. All of us need this in this current situation. In this Alaya Darshan, Shri Paramjyoti would give us Abhaya Prapti. Miracles when witnessed, read, heard, and shared multiply. Share miracles with others to receive more miracles and earn Satkarma. As you listen to the miracle and attend the Alaya Darshan, miracles would happen in your life too. Listen to this miracle carefully before we enter the temple. My grandson is 6 years old. While playing, he fell down from 15 feet height and started bleeding from the nose and ears. Everyone at home was shocked and afraid. I rushed taking him to the hospital. The hospital refused to admit him since he was bleeding profusely and chances of survival was not there. We then rushed towards main hospital, which is 3 hours from our place. Throughout our journey, I kept chanting Mula Mantra, asking Amma Bhagwan's help. Shri Amma Bhagwan appeared during our travel and assured me about the child's healing and blessed. I opened my eyes with such joy and I was surprised to see the bleeding had stopped completely. We reached the hospital and as per doctor's advice, we went ahead with the CT scan of skull and brain twice. Once during the admission and the other one during 2 days. Both the scans were completely normal. Doctors were also surprised to see this. He had fallen from 15 feet and it's unusual to see a completely normal scan in such a scenario. My immense gratitude to Shri Paramjyoti for the divine protection for all of us. Param Karuna Paramjyoti Alaya Darshan. All manifestations are our manifestations. Param Karuna Paramjyoti. Mahavakyas of Param Karuna Paramjyoti. During the golden age, you shall walk and talk with me. Even as you missed me in the other ages that led to your going astray and to your fall. Today's teaching. Fulfillment is possible only when you help the other. Today we are going to have the darshan of Shri Bhadrakali Temple, Warangal. Focus on ringing bells in Namaskara Mudra. It synchronizes the left and right hemispheres of the brain. Prayer for Iham, Abhaya Prapti. Prayer for Param, no guilt. Swadhisthana Chakra activation. Today we are going to focus on Swadhisthana Chakra. 6-petal lotus, orange in color with a blue crescent moon inside. It is located at the tip of the tailbone. As we focus on this chakra, it would bestow creativity. Receive the puja grace when the conch is blown. Express your gratitude to Param Karuna Paramjyoti. Participate in bhajan.
सच्चिदानंद परब्रह्मा पुरुषोत्तम परमात्मा श्री परंज्योति भगवते समेत श्री परंज्योति भगवते नमः। ओम
भद्रकाली रुद्रसुता भवानी भवनाशिनी शम्भोर्नयन सम्भूता शिवात्मानन्दकारिणी काली कराळवदना दंष्ट्रोग्रभ्रुकुटीमुखा चामुण्डा चण्डिका चण्डी चण्डमुण्डनिषूदिनी रक्तांगी रक्तनयना रक्तांबरविराजिता रक्तबीजवधोद्युक्ता रणभूमिनिवासिनी गजचर्मांबरधरा भिन्नाञ्जनसमप्रभा भक्तप्रिया भक्तवश्या भक्तानामभयङ्करी भैरवी भैरवाराध्या महाभैरवपूजिता ज्वालामुखी घोररूपा सर्वलोकभयङ्करी मणिमञ्जीरनिनदा किङ्गिणीजालभूषिता
जयन्ती मङ्गला काली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा क्षमा शिवा धात्री स्वाहा स्वधा नमोऽस्तुते।
खड्गं चक्रगदेषु चापपरिघान् शूलं भूसुण्डिं शिरः शङ्खं सन्ददधिं कुरैस्त्रिनयनां सर्वाङ्गभूषावृतां यामस्तौ स्वपिते हरौ कमलजो हन्तुं मधुं कैडभं नीलाश्मद्युतिमास्य पाददशकां सेवे महाकालिकाम् सद्यश्चिन्नशिर कृपाणमभयं हस्तैर्वरं बिभ्रदिम् घोरास्यां शिरसां स्रजासुरुचिरामुन्मुक्तकेशावलिम्
ॐ स्वादिष्ठान वां 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 कुण्डलिनी आरोहणम् कुण्डलिनी आरोहणम् कुण्डलिनी आरोहणम्
भद्रकाली Golden Age Movement upcoming programs. On August 15th, Sri Amma birthday, Day of Love, Ashtalakshmi Puja. On this auspicious occasion of Sri Amma's birthday, the Ashtalakshmi Puja will be conducted on the sacred land of Satyaloka, live on Zoom for those who register. Goddess Lakshmi is revered in 8 divine forms collectively known as Ashtalakshmi. During this powerful birthday celebration, Goddess Lakshmi is invoked into the Kalash and special prayers are performed for receiving health, plentiful food, courage, strength, children, victory, intelligence, and luxury. Contact your Homa organizer for more information. Join Sri Bhagavan Live every month for 81,000 Diksha Yajna, living in a higher consciousness. The next class is Saturday, August 29th. Contact your organizers for more information to be part of the 81,000 Diksha Yajna, only for registered members. Every day read enlightenment experiences and miracles to help your enlightenment, hosted directly by Sri Bhagavan, by joining the Telegram group, Family of the Great Compassionate Light. Thank you for joining us.